waste and no way to dispose of it, and no dumpster near you. Hate going to the dump? Well, we have a solution for you. Introducing the Antimatter Ray 3000. Using state-of-the-art antimatter generators, the Antimatter Ray 3000 will eliminate your waste problems. Does this look familiar to you?
Can't believe I have to take the trash out again.
Now with the Antimatter Ray 3000, situations like these will be a breeze.
Now with the Antimatter Ray 3000, I don't have to take out the trash. I just simply point, pull the trigger, and it disappears. See? Thanks to the Antimatter Ray 3000, I have time to do what I want to do.
Wow, you win, Mackenzie. Nice job.
Here's how it works.
First, some history. Paul Dirac was an English theoretical physicist. He derived an equation he hoped would unify the theories of general relativity and quantum mechanics. This equation, the Dirac equation, explained the behavior of an electron traveling close to the speed of light. What Dirac did not expect was that this equation would work for both an electron with a negative charge and for an electron with a positive charge, and thus he proposed the existence of what we now call antimatter. Here we see the electron and its antimatter counterpart, the positron. In order to explain the existence of antimatter, some symmetries needed to be described. There are three total: charge conjugation symmetry, parity symmetry, and time reversal symmetry. Charge conjugation symmetry is a transformation that switches all particles with their corresponding antiparticles and thus changes the sign of all charges, not only electric charge, but also the charges relevant to other forces. For example, looking at the electron and positron, we see that the electron has a negative charge while the positron has a positive charge. Parity symmetry is the flip in the sign of one spatial coordinate. In 3 dimensions, it can also refer to the simultaneous flip in the sign of all 3 spatial coordinates. In this example, we see that the spin of the positron is opposite the spin of the electron because of the spatial reflection or symmetry. Time reversal symmetry is the theoretical symmetry of physical laws under the transformation of time reversal. This implies the conservation of entropy. This is not saying time runs backwards, it just describes that, for example, chemical reactions would yield what we would consider the reactants rather than what we would consider as the product. Now, how exactly does our product work? Well, it generates antimatter in the antimatter generator. To do this, we have 2 magnetic fields, as you can see here, one in a tube-like shape surrounding a central spherical field. In the tubular field, millions of hydrogen atoms are stored. These purple boxes that you can see are lasers. They will both fire a violet ray, exciting 2 hydrogen atoms that are opposite each other. They will both be launched into the central magnetic field where they will collide and produce antimatter. Then this antimatter will be stored away from the hydrogen atoms in the spherical field until you fire the Antimatter Ray 3000.
And this could be yours for just $19.99. Just pay additional shipping and handling. To get the charging clip, in order for the Ray to work, call in the next second to get not 1 or 2, but 3 charging clips. A $300 value for only $50.99. Just pay an additional shipping and handling. But wait, there's more! If you call now, receive this laser focusing scope for only $199 extra. A $50 value, yours only for $199.
This Ray is... It's alright.